Are you trying to stand up? Good job! Good job, Rowan! And destruction begins. You like the remote control, don't you? You want to come over here? Rowan, you want to come over here? Can you walk over here? Round the corner. Probably toys in your way. Good job. Can you come around here? Oh, and there goes that. Can you come around here, baby? Oh, how he loves the computer. Do you need help?